I just start recording. Before 20 minutes, I will be out of this place because I will just show you my analysis, how I was able to take those trade, those losses, and all those stuff. So those are the things I will show you. For now, those are the things I will show you on this video because I will be posting this video on maybe YouTube for people to see how to trade, how we are going from $30 to $1,000 in this video. So we are already in a drawdown already. We took almost about four losses already. Uh, sorry, I think three loss. Uh, we are even on a break even stage because we are not. I'm not in a loss already. I'm not in a loss because my $30 is still in $30. First, we take our first loss, our first trade, we took loss. Another trade, we took loss. Another trade, we hit take profit. We hit take profit. I hit take profit. I didn't know. I don't know if you guys took that trade, but I hit take profit in another trade. Another trade again, which is today, we hit break even. So I'm still in my $30 account. So we are still going to take. We already enter another trade in volatility 215 days. Yeah, we are currently on this trade right now because I sent this the signal on the group on the WhatsApp group. I didn't send it on Telegram though, but I sent it on WhatsApp group. I believe you guys are already on this trade already. We are not just you can still join the trade. You can still join now because we are on a buy in volatility 215 index. So you can join the buy because we are currently on an order block. There are 4 hours order block. Those that's the place I took the straight from. 4 hours order block. I already know where the market is going next. So you can see this order block. I can just use this as an order block. I can still use my trend line. So depending on what you love, depending on what you love. I hope you can hear me, Peter. I believe you are the only one here, but I hope you can hear
Yes,
me.
yeah, I can hear you.
All right. So you can see that the market is in another block. This is the place I just entered from, and my stop loss is just below this candlestick right here. And I'm expecting the market to push all the way up to this level, even to this other block right here. But I'm just taking a 50%. Go to this other block right here. So I'm just taking to 50% of this chain, which is this 50% right here. Let's use this. It will actually trace my. So I'm just taking this 50% level. Yeah, I'm on this 50% level. I believe that the market will get to that place. This money, analyze these charts. These are the 250 index. Analyze this chart. I already understand daily bias. Understand daily bias. My trade entry was from here because my money. I woke up around one or so. Yeah, I was expecting the market to get to this at this point, which is around 12. I was not at home, so I missed this trade. I didn't send the signal on the Telegram channel, on Telegram and on WhatsApp group. I didn't send it, and on volatility 75. I also missed the trade too. I also missed the trade. So let me just go to 30 minutes so I can see it again. I also missed the trade. It was so painful because I already see the market that the market wants to start pushing down. I didn't take the trade that moment. So after 2 hours of market is already here. So I can't just hop on the trade because market can just reverse back then take me out for pushing down. So I just really left the trade, let it run. So you can see from in the morning, like around one or so, the market was just selling and selling and selling. I didn't send this signal. It was so painful because I didn't take the trade and I didn't send the signal that same night because I already know the bias of the market. Here was my order block. You can see, let me just take this. All this line that you are seeing right here, this line you are seeing right here, are just it just signify a daily this line right here. From here to here is one day, from here to here is one day. So I can just take that off. I'll just take that off. So we go to a daily time frame, you just see the market clearly. You see the market clearly. You can see this order block right here. This order block. This was the place I was expecting the market to just push to. The next day, the market will dump. That was what I was expecting yesterday. That was what I was expecting yesterday, and it just happened today. It happened today, and I wake up around 1. Instead of me to take the trade, I didn't take the trade because I was expecting maybe a push up a little bit, then enter the trade, but it didn't happen. You just continue selling, just continue selling. So I just decided not to join the trade because I might just be on a drawdown, and any trade I take, I can just take loss because I was expecting the market to push all the way to this other block right here before taking. I just said this because I was expecting the market to just weak little bit to this other block before pushing down. But I would be on a big drawdown, but that was my analysis. So I was just expecting the market to get to this place before I enter the trade, then send the signal, then I will just put my stop loss right here. But after seeing this little order block in 15-minute time frame, so I was just expecting the market to start dumping from there. So it was just 50-50 for me. So that was the reason I didn't take the trade. You can see this 15 minutes order block. This is a 15 minutes order block. So I was expecting the market to push to this 1 hour order block. That was what I was expecting. But it was just consolidating in this 15 minutes order block. So I just say, okay, my stop loss, my entry should be just be here, then my stop loss would just be, it would be so wide for me. So I just think that I shouldn't take the trade. So I should just wait for this place to get hit. Then my entry should be there. My stop loss will be now below. Then just enter the trade before done. But the market didn't go up, just come to the 15-minute order block, then done. So you can see that all my trade are from order blocks. I don't take trade without knowing the direction of the market. I already know the direction of the market. I already know what the market is going to do. I already know what the market is going to do. I already analyzed my chart, understanding the downtrend of the market. I know that the market has been moving in a downtrend. So if I want to start trading, I should be looking at for maybe order block getting hit before pushing all the way down, before the market pushes all the way down. So those are the things I will be looking out for. So these are my trade I think last month. These are my trade last month. September. September. So these are my trade last month. I do take some trade. I do take losses. Sometimes I do take losses, and many times I do take losses. Not just sometimes because it's just part of the game. Just part of the game. Just have to understand what you are doing in the market. You can take maybe 5 losses and use one take profit to recover all your money, and then take another trade and you are in profit. That's two trade in a row, then you are in profit of maybe you take loss today, it's $2, another loss $2, another loss $2. You can just use one trade to bring out back those $2. So I'm just using $2 as an example. Just using $2 as an example. It's very simple. It's just for you to understand where the market is going, market direction, and then start taking your trade from there. I don't draw trend line anymore because I already understand. I can just set, okay, Here is my trend line. Here is my trend line. I already know that, okay, this is trend line. I already know that this is trend line. You can see that the market just break out of this trend line, this daily trend line. You can see that the market break out. Sometimes you'll be expecting a retest before pushing up. Before you should be expecting that retest, you should just wait for this break of market structure first. Maybe like the market will just take out this break of market structure, then come back to retest it before entering the market. Those are the things you should be looking at for the trending market. Maybe you want to use trend line and all those stuff. But for now, I already know that, okay, this market is going to push out of my trend line because I already marked out my trend line. I know that, okay, there's a trend line here. But when the market react to this other block, which is that yesterday, I believe that the market will dump. Believe that the market will dump. So those are the things you should be looking out for in the market. It's very simple to use an order block. You can go to 4-hour time frame. Maybe you want to you just need a scalping trade. You can go to 4-hour market. Just understand the market bias first. Maybe a daily time frame. Just understand the market bias. Where's the market going? Then go over to 4-hour time frame. You know that if market opens, maybe 4-hour time frame opens, like we are going to be using this as an example. This is 4-hour candles. Market will push. If you want to push up, the market wants to push bullish, just like this. You want to push bullish. First, it needs to come down to grab liquidity. Those people maybe like putting their stop loss here. Then you now have a week right there. So you're looking for something like maybe an order block from that 4-hour time. Just go over to maybe lower time frame like 15 minutes, like 30 minutes to find an order block. Maybe where the market have been reacting to the market cannot break that level. Just wait for that zone. Just look for an order block, fair value gap to just push the market back up like 4-hour time frame to just take a scalping trade. It's very simple, just very simple. Those are the things you should be. Both daily time frame, those are the things you should be looking out for. Daily time frame, do the same thing. You can see this market right here. Let's say you want to take this trade, this 1, 2, 3. So you already know that the market was bullish the first day. The next day is that the market will push all the way down, coming back to an order block. Let's just go to maybe like 1 hour, then I'll come back to this place so that you can understand it. It's very simple. Just coming back to your order block or fair value gap, then the market will just start pushing up. I think I should go back there, then mark, just mark it as it's just the same thing. The same thing that is happening in the higher time frame. It's also happening maybe like in 4-hour time frame, in 2-hour time frame, in 1 hour. If you want to take a scalping trade in 1 hour, market must like the market just open like this. It will just dump before pushing all the way up. So those are the things you should just be looking out for in the market. It's very simple. It's very simple. So it don't just work always. It don't work always. You already know that, okay, this market was bullish yesterday, which is, let's use this. Let me put that line so that you can know that it was yesterday and it was today and those stuff. So the market was bullish yesterday. You can see yesterday. First, it dumped. So when it dumps, come back to this order block just at this level. You can see an order block right here. This is the place you are going to be entering from. It's very simple. The first day, you can see the first day right here was bullish. The second day most likely to be bullish. So, or maybe you want 2 days. You want to hold the trade for 2 days. It's very simple. Just wait for an order block or maybe a breaker block Sometimes the market can just start from this breaker here. We will not get to this other block. We will not get to the other block. We just get to this breaker block, then the market will just start pushing up. You already know the market bias, which is the daily bias of that market. What is the daily bias? Okay, yesterday was bullish. Yesterday was bullish. It doesn't just work that way though, because you are going to understand daily time frame, weekly time frame. You are going to understand monthly time frame before even going to diving into the daily time frame. You are going to just understand it. You can see this line right here. It just identified daily movement. So you can see how you'll be able to just join the trade. We already know that the market was bullish the other day. Then the market will dump, most likely dump, come to another block or a fair value gap or a breaker block for the market to reverse. It's just very simple. This is my strategy. My strategy is very simple. I'm just showing you the very, very secret you can ever get, like you can ever get. It's for you to just wait for the market to come back to this other block, or maybe set your limit order, then your take profit should be at this top, or maybe more if you want more, or maybe more. If you want, maybe you want to hold for 2 days or 3 days, you can just hold for 2 days or 3 days, market start dumping. Before the market start dumping, you will see that already, because first you have to understand the market bias. You have to understand the market bias because other block is already here. You can see an order block right here. Another order block from higher time frame perspective. So you can just find another block that market will also react to. Another higher time frame. If you draw this out now, let's see, we draw this trend line out. Then go over to daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. You can see an order block right here. You already understand, oh, okay, this is an order block. Oh, market have just taken this this low. This is higher this higher low, higher low, higher high. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high. This is an higher high. If you go to over to maybe for 8 hours, we see an order block that will just clarify it that okay, this is another block. Market can just reverse from there. This is another block. Market can just reverse from there. Then you just put your take profit right here. Then wait for the next day to start dumping, because you already know that the market trend is in a downtrend. The market trend is in a downtrend. And another perspective is that this is a breaker. This level is also a breaker block. So you already know that okay, market can just start dumping from here. There's another block, there's a breaker block. So the market can just start dumping from here. If you want to swing, this is the place you should be entering from, which is 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame perspective, because that's a swing trade. Because if this is your breaker block, this is your order block. The market just take out this liquidity right here. What you should be expecting is for the market to dump. So you can just everything just align. You can just use a 4-hour time frame to take trade. Let's go back to 4-hour time frame. Let's see what I'm talking. Let me see if I can just give you a little scenario of this. Okay, on this place, like this place, you want to scalp. You want to scalp. You already know daily time frame that the market was bullish the daily time frame, and you want to scalp. You should be waiting for these trades to come all the way down. And if you want to take this trade all the way down to this place, like you want to take this 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, which is scalping. You want to take those scalping trade. So just go over to maybe 30 minutes or 15-minute time frame. Or 15 minutes or even 5 minutes time frame. You already know that the market will start dumping from here. You already know that the market will start pushing all the way down to this other block. You can just say, okay, let me take this trade before it gets to this other block. I want to take this trade. So it's for you to go over to maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes to just take a scalping to this level, a scalping trade to that level. It's very simple. You just understand your order block, fair value gap, and all those stuff. So the markets are already open from here. So just wait. This is an order block. This is another block. Market up into this other block, then done, which is 4 hour time frame, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. This 4 hours. It's very simple. This is 4 hours. You can just say, okay, this is other block again, because you already know where the market is going. You already know where the market is going. It's very simple for you to just analyze your chart, then know where the market is going. You already know that, okay, the market will come back to this other block, which is higher time frame order block, then the market will start pushing up. You can start taking your trade from there. It's very simple. It's hard to find, but it's very simple if you understand what you are really doing. You can take the scalping trade to this level before pushing all the way up. Even if you go to a lower time frame, you can see that, okay, before the market push all the way up, then come back down. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, you are going to see this other block clearly, that the market top into an order block here or entering this trade, this move to this upside. It's very simple. The strategy is very simple, but if you need maybe full video for me to explain how to really trade them, you can just message me and I will do the same video for you. It will be a course, it will be a course, because I already have another blog video, breakout blog video, indecision candlestick, which is also another blog. I already have those videos, but it's a course. You can buy that for $50. But for now, I can just give you a 20% off, which is you are going to be paying $30. So if you want those videos, it's very simple. You can use it in synthetic indices, you can use it in forex trading. It's very easy. You can use it in synthetic, you can use it in forex, you can use it in forex trading. It works. It work in all pairs, currency pairs, in forex trading, and in synthetic indices, and in futures, in what's it called? Crypto. You can still use it to trade cryptocurrencies. So this is just how it is. So I'll see you guys in the next video of how I take trade and how I was able to take those trade I sent on my signal. So see you guys. Yeah, I'm currently recording. So I will send you guys the link so you guys can watch the video.